tight. Floating water feels just right. Keep you safe in the pool and you'll feel so alive. Life jackets keep you safe. In water we find our place. Feel happy and alive. Swim with joy as we dive. Pool drains are not for play. Stay away and be safe. Not near drains, we can play. Stay safe now and every day. No touching, stay on ground. Safety first all around. Please avoid, don't go near. Safety rules we all hold dear. Just play fair, share the pool, show you care. Jump safely, don't cause pain. Kindness rules, very plain. Be cool, don't cause a fuss. Fun together, that's a plus. No shoving, let's agree. Play in peace, you and me. Walking slow round the pool, no rushing, that's the rule. Take your time, step with care, no running. Please beware, walk steady and don't race. Please keep safe in the space. Walk calmly and don't rush. No complaining, please hush, hush. First before you dive, feet go first, stay alive. No head dives, just be wise. Shallow waters, watch your size. Jump with care, feet down low. Check the depth before you go. To be safe, take a glance. Water needs a careful stance. Water for the little baby, drink it up, up, up. Grows a big, big belly, watch it fill it up, up, up. Baby thinks he'll pop and water will spray out. With a bandage it'll be fixed so he can play now. Watch it grow, grow, grow. Boy looks at his belly, it's quite the show, show, show. Thinks he'll float away like a balloon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. But just plug them back to his room, room, room. Munch, munch, munch. Corn falls in her belly, what a hunch, hunch, hunch. Thinks a corn tree will grow real big and tall. Tries to get it out, my goodness, what a silly thought. While inside your mommy's belly there was a long cord, bringing you the food and water you needed to grow. When you came out of that belly, that cord said goodbye. Now you have a belly button, small and cute, oh my. ball, you're second to none. Hard, but oh no, no. Reaching high, a challenge to embrace. Fun turns tricky in this beachy chase. Beach ball up so high, soaring in the sunlit sky, rolling, bouncing, endless fun. Oh, beach ball, you're second to none. Game. In the sun is not the same. Rolling on the sand it skips. In the air where the wind flips. We try but the ball's on the run. Seaside challenge fun. Beach ball up so high, soaring in the sunlit sky, rolling, bouncing, endless fun. You're second to none. Oh no, our beach ball's blown out. Can't inflate it, so bizarre. Children frown, feeling small. No beach ball fun, no bouncing it all. Okay, our volleyball we found. We can still have fun. It just can't touch the ground.